Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. The ice on Lake Michigan is continuously expanding due to unyielding cold weather for several days. After a meltdown early last month, it is now just over 90% covered in ice, which equals the highest level ever recorded. The lake was also 90% frozen in 1976, 1979 and 1994, according to the National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration. The analysis by Great Lakes Environmental Research Laboratory ice-covered peak at 92.2% of the Great Lakes on March 6. In records dating to 1973, only February 1979, 94.7% peak had greater ice coverage. Only a small area of southern Lake Michigan and much of western and central Lake Ontario had significant ice-free stretches, according to the March 6 analysis. About 94% of Lake Superior, just under 96% of Lake Huron, 96% of Lake Erie, and almost 92% of Lake Michigan was ice covered on March 6. Lake Ontario, which typically gets less ice coverage because it has 3 times the volume of water compared to Lake Erie, peaked at 59% ice covered. The ice covered has just set an early March record compared to the previous 2 standard-bearing years, 1979 and 1994. So, it remains to be seen whether the ice cover can recover sufficiently following the brief thaw and any wind-driven churning to the lakes from the potential winter storm. Thanks to this heavy ice cover, evaporation will be greatly reduced into early spring. Furthermore, with a heavy snowpack around many of Great Lakes, snowmelt will replenish recent low lake levels. Does all this indicate that the world is facing a global freeze? Stay updated with us to know more. Vishruti Dave for It's Tomorrow News. Thank you.